Welcome student, we'll see the intermediate syllabus for the geometry. Question number 1, parallel lines. Question number 1 is a point P at some distance of from line AB which is 4 centimeter long. Draw a line parallel to AB from point P. See the AB line 4 centimeter. In your compass take now AB radius and P point they said mark above line AB. See the P mark, I have marked P. This is your P point. Now in your compass take 4 centimeter radius, P as the center, draw above side one arc. Now A and P as a radius, see the AP radius and B as the center, mark, draw the intersecting arc which is the Q point, intersecting point Q. Now draw the PQ line which is the parallel line to AB. Okay, this is your question number 1. Now we'll see the question number 2. Draw a line AB 8 centimeter long. Draw a parallel line to AB at a distance of 4 centimeter from it. Now we'll see the practical. See the student, AB line we have drawn which is the 8 centimeter. Now on AB line anywhere you take the 2 points P and Q, take convenient radius in your compass, P as the center, draw semicircle, same radius, Q as the center, one more semicircle you draw. We are going to draw the perpendicular. See the, now which is this new points you got, okay, that will say the X and Y, for example. See the, take, this is the half radius, take more than half radius and draw one arc above the semicircle and another semicircle and line intersecting point. Like this way, mark one where is the intersecting point, that will be your C point and this will be your, afterwards we'll write the, see the, now same radius take PQ radius, mark point, draw two arcs which is intersecting, that will be your, now from P and intersecting point you have to draw the perpendicular. Now in your compass take 4 centimeter radius. See the, in your compass take 4 centimeter radius and P as the center, draw one arc, two perpendicular, says same radius, Q as the center, another arc draw. Now this distance is a 4 centimeter. In question they ask the distance will be 4 centimeter, the particular distance they have given. That is why we have drawn the, like this way, one line. Now this line is a C and D. The CD line parallel to AB line. Thank you students. Now see the student, line division, the one only question in this, that is why most of the time they are asking for the exam this question, that is why pay attention. Question is on a line AB 9 centimeter long, mark points at a distance of 1.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter respectively. From point A, divide line CD 12 centimeter long in the same proportion, which 9 centimeter marking they have given, that same proportion as the division of line AB. Now we'll see the practical how to do. So student, I have drawn the AB line, which is the 9 centimeter long. Now from A, first distance is the 1.5, second 4 centimeter and third 7.5 centimeter. First of all, like this you mark the point and give the labeling for that, A, F, E, F, G. Now at some distance you draw the 12 centimeter line which they said, which is a CD line. CD line is a 12 centimeter. See the 12 centimeter line, C and D. Now student, CA, these 2 points you have to join and that line produced till the above. Then AD, B and D line you have to join and join still the above. Where is intersecting, that will be your O point. Now OE radius and joined it and produced till the CD line. Same construction do for the E and G. Okay, where is the new intersecting point? That is your P, Q, R. Now in the same proportion we have divided the CD line. Thank you, students.